Hey, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this video, we will learn video marketing with the help of large language model like ChatGPT. So this is not only for ChatGPT, this prompt is for the other platform as well. You can use like Copilot is there, Gemini is there, all the platforms are there. So for this particular video, I will use ChatGPT only and we will learn video marketing. So what is video marketing and why it is important? Video marketing, suppose you have some product, you have some services, or you want to promote your brand. So video is best performing one of the best tool you can use for selling your product, for promoting your brand, for promoting your service, anything. So video is one of the best tool you can use for your brand, for your company, for your service. You can use it. So the thing is, if you want to know how to use video marketing and how to create a video, what are the things that you all the things you need to know, right? So what you can do is you can tell ChatGPT all those problems, and you will get a beginner level to advanced level idea you will get from ChatGPT or any other large language model. So everything, suppose with the help of ChatGPT, you can create your video content. You can create the video script. It may be a long form script or it for a reel only. So you can create that reel, you can create the headline, you can create the content, you can create the video description, you can create the the keywords for that video. So everything you can do. So just you need to know how to write an effective prompt. So what is prompt? Prompt is a question. Prompt is a question, your query, your statement. So you need to know that thing. Why it is important? Because it's a large language model, right? ChatGPT or any other large language model like Gemini, Copilot, this is the large language model. So it follows some rule, it follows some pattern, it has some it follows some algorithm, it has some best practices. So if you follow those things, you will get the best result out of it. Okay, so anyway, for this particular video, I have already written a prompt. So this prompt I will use and you will get the idea. Just you copy this prompt, paste it, and then replace your content, and you will see the magic out of it. So again, I am telling, for video marketing strategy, you need content, you need headline, you need description, you need the keywords, all these things you need, right? So all those things you can generate with the help of large language model very easily, and that is free of cost. Suppose if you are hiring someone whom you are asking for create a content, video content, so they will charge you a lot of money. Of course they will charge because they are professional in this, but before going to them, you can take the inspiration and you can create it by yourself only. It will take some time initially, but later on you will create a professional level video for sure. Okay, so yeah, so let's copy this prompt, then I will explain. So here it is. The prompt is, for this particular video I will use one advanced prompt, that is gameplay pattern. So what is gameplay pattern? Gameplay pattern means I will tell ChatGPT, I will provide a role to ChatGPT that, hey ChatGPT, you think that you are expert in video marketing, you already have 10 years experience, or you have 20 years experience in this domain, and I am your student, I don't know anything about video marketing, or I have some basic understanding about video marketing. So this is it. And then I will tell about my problem. My problem is, I have one product, I want to sell it through video marketing. So the first thing is, I have given a role to ChatGPT. Second thing is, I have told about myself, that who I am and what is my understanding level. Then I am telling about my problem, what is my expectation and what is the problem. The problem is, I have created a product and I want to sell that product through video marketing, because video marketing responds more, video responds more than the blog and any other platform. So I want to leverage that platform. So I want to create a video content, I want to create a video. You just give me a video script, or I want to master that video marketing, that industry, that domain. I want to master. I want to know from beginner to advanced level. I want to know. So I want to play a game with you. So ChatGPT is an expert person who has 10 years or 20 years experience, and now I am a beginner. So now we will play a game on that subject. Our subject is video marketing. So what will happen is, ChatGPT will ask me the question. I will tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, you ask me the question, about video marketing so that I can achieve my goal, and I will provide the answer. After providing the answer, you will correct my answer whether it is correct or wrong. If it is incorrect, then you will give me the correct answer, and then you also provide me the better answer as well, and then you will ask me the next question. So like this way we will play a game. I will play a game with an expert person with like ChatGPT, who has 10 years 20 years experience on this domain, and ChatGPT will ask me the question, I will provide the answer. After providing, ChatGPT will review it, then ChatGPT will give me the better answer as well, and then ChatGPT will ask me the next question. So what will happen is, like this way we will play. So after that, what will happen, I will master that subject, I will master that video marketing topic, because when I will play with the expert person, I will realize my knowledge. I will feel that what I know and what I don't know. So then I will, the things that I don't know, I will improve that skill, I will improve that techniques. Okay, so like this way I will master that video marketing topic. Okay, so now let's copy this. Here is the prompt. Pretend that you are a video marketing expert. Pretend that you are a video marketing expert with experience in creating video content for business. So this is the role I am giving to ChatGPT. Now I am your student, I don't know anything about video marketing, I want to learn how to use video to promote products and services. That is my expectation, I want to know that thing. And now you will ask me the question one after another that will help me understand video marketing strategies. I will answer your questions, you will review my answers, correct it if needed, and provide a better response if available. Then you will ask me the next question. So like this way you will ask me 20 questions per day, you will ask me 10 questions per day, you will ask me 50 questions per day, or like this way we will practice 30 minutes per day, 1 hour per day, like this way. So ask me the first question. So this is our prompt. Now let's copy it. Let me go to the ChatGPT. So here it is. This is the interface of ChatGPT. Here is the prompt, and now let's press enter. Now see how ChatGPT responds, how ChatGPT can help me. So this is the prompt. I have given the role, I have told about myself, I have told about my expectation. There are 4 things you need to remember. The first thing is your goal should be clear, your context should be clear, your sources should be clear, and the expectations should be clear. Okay, this is the basic 4 things you need to follow. So now ChatGPT is responding that great, let's dive into video marketing step by step. Here is your first questions. What do you think is primary purpose of using video to promote products and services? What is the primary purpose? So I think I will say to connect customers. Primary purpose to connect customers very easily compared to other content format. So video connects more, video touches more. Okay, so to connect customer very easily compared to other content format. So I think this, it may be correct, may not be correct, I'm not sure, but yeah, ChatGPT will correct my answer, and then ChatGPT will give me the better answer. So it is saying your answer is So it is your answer is correct in a sense. Okay, videos are intended a powerful medium to connect with customers more effectively than other formats. So here is an enhanced version of your response. So now ChatGPT has corrected my answer. Okay, now ChatGPT is giving me the better answer. The primary purpose of using videos to promote products or services is to engage and connect with customers emotionally. So video emotionally we can connect, and visually, okay, making complex ideas easier to understand and more memorable compared to other contents format. So this is the perfect and professional answer. See, this professional answer I did not know. Okay, so as of now I know. So ChatGPT has corrected my answer, and now ChatGPT is giving me the better. ChatGPT has given me the better answer as well. The primary purpose of using video to promote products and services is to engage and connect with customers emotionally and visually, making complex idea easier to understand and more memorable compared to other content formats. So it has given me the better response as well. Now it is asking me the next question: what types of video do you think are effective for promoting products or services? I would say detailed, 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 informative. This is my idea. May be correct, may not be correct. Informative and detailed, informative, helpful, and problem solving. Suppose this is the thing. What types of videos do you think are effective for promoting products or services? So detailed, informative, helpful, and problem solving. So let's see how it's how it corrects me, how ChatGPT corrects me. That's a great answer. Okay, videos that are detailed, informative, problem solving can certainly provide value to the audience and build trust. Here is an improved version of your response. So see, ChatGPT has corrected my answer. Now ChatGPT is giving me the better answer as well. Effective videos for promoting products or services are those that are informative, address customer pain points, and provide solutions to their problems. This can include product demos, tutorials, customer testimonials, and explainer videos that clearly shows how to product or service can solve their specific problems, specific issues. Okay, so see, I have given the answer. I already replied. I have given the answer. ChatGPT corrected my answer, and then ChatGPT also gave me the better version of my answer, and then ChatGPT has given me the ChatGPT asked me the next question. Okay, so next question is, how do you think storytelling can be used in video marketing to promote a products or services? Suppose this question answer I don't know. So what I will say, I don't know. Please explain. That is also I can do. Okay, suppose some questions answer I don't know, so I will tell ChatGPT I don't know. Please you explain. So now see what happens. So ChatGPT will say, ChatGPT will answer all the questions answer. So no problem. Let me explain. So now ChatGPT is explaining that answer. Storytelling in video marketing is all about creating a narrative that emotionally connects with the audience. Instead of just presenting facts or features of a product, you wave a story that makes the audience feel something. Okay, here is how it can be used effectively. Relatability. Craft a story that resonates with the target audience experience or problems. So how the products or service is the hero that solves their challenges. Emotional connection, then the building trust. All these things I need to do. For example, instead of just showing how a new skincare product works, you can tell the story of someone struggling with skin issues, then showing how your products help them gain confidence. This happens, right? In the TV ad or any other platform, it happens. They always try to solve the problem. They always tell a story about, suppose one customer facing some problem, and that problem, how their product is solving that problem. That is the thing. It already happened. It happens in the our traditional marketing as well. So now it has given me the better answer. Okay, now it is asking me the next question. So like this way, ChatGPT will ask me 20 questions every day, because I have already instructed that you every day you will ask me 20 questions, I will provide the answer. So what will happen is, like this way, I will master video marketing. Suppose I don't know anything about video marketing, and now I will learn all. As of now, I have learned three questions answer. So how it works, what is the main things, elements, and all those things. So like this way, I will master my video marketing skill. I will know that these are the things I need to do, these are the things I need to implement for promoting my products or services. Okay, so this is one of the most powerful pattern, that is gameplay pattern. You can use this pattern for learning any subject. So for this particular video, it is video marketing. In the place of video marketing, you can replace your content, your problem. Just copy this prompt, paste it, and replace your content, and then see the magic. You will get the best version out of it. And the same time, if you want to learn how to write an effective prompt, you need to know it, because see, it's a large language model. ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, all these platforms are the large language model. If you don't know how to speak with them, you will not get the better answer for sure. Okay, so if you want to learn ChatGPT or how to write an effective prompt, it is not for ChatGPT, all the large language model, how to write an effective prompt so that you can get the best output. So you need to enroll ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery course. That course is available, so you can enroll that course, ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery course. At the same time, if you want to get 10,000 plus premium and advanced ChatGPT prompts, that is also available. You just copy it, paste it, and then replace your content. All the industries are covered, and more than 10,000 plus advanced and premium prompts are available there, so you can enroll that thing. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think you have learned something, and just practice it, and I'm sure you will get the best out of it. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you. We will meet in the next video with a different topic. Thank you.